If you've ever considered longing or shorting Bitcoin on margin, then you should watch this video, as I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, whether or not you actually plan to trade is one thing, but understanding the way leverage trading works is definitely something people deep into crypto should know, because derivatives and leverage trading both have huge impacts on both crypto and traditional markets. Today, we're going to be doing a full tutorial on the up-and-coming trading site, BitYard. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. If you would like daily crypto videos, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about crypto or trading, then please make sure to join one or both of my Telegram chats, the Bit Squad or Bit Squad Traders. All right, guys, today we're going to be taking a look at BitYard. Now, last week, we examined the differences between BitYard and the previous biggest leverage trading site, BitMEX. There's a lot more room now for competitors in this space, and I believe BitYard is definitely a player in the game to be reckoned with. If you want to check out my last BitYard video, you can do that by clicking above. But today, we will be doing a tutorial on how to long or short Bitcoin along with other assets. And of course, thank you to BitYard for sponsoring this video. If at any point you would like to sign up for BitYard, then you can do that by going to bityard.bitboy.live. And as always, if you are going to take the next step in your trading journey and you have decided to leverage trade, then please make sure to be safe. Use stop losses and low leverage, especially if you're a beginner, or you might get wrecked. Okay, guys, let's jump into it. Okay, so we're on the homepage for BitYard here, and you guys can see right here, they're talking about their early bird rewards. This is in regards to their BYD mining. So if you go up here to the top and click daily mining, this will take you to the page that shows you all about the mining. That's something you may want to check out. They have their own token, the BYD token. It's similar to a regular utility token from an exchange. You can think about it that way. And if you're interested in being an affiliate, you can also sign up to be an affiliate right here. Now we're going to head on over here to the promotion page, because this is obviously what a lot of people like, are welcome bonuses. You have some ways to get some very, very easy welcome bonuses. You can get $1 for just setting your username. So almost, anybody can do that. If you just put your phone or email, you get another $1. If you do a demo trade, you get $2. So you guys can get $4 there just for being beginners and not really having to do anything. Then, of course, you come over here to your trading bonuses. You guys can see you get $2 for just making a live trade. Once you pass certain volume levels, you can get $8, $18, $38, and $188. They sure do like the number 8. All right, so let's head up and look at our assets. I have about $100 in this account right now, but it's in Bitcoin. You're actually going to need USDT to trade. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to convert this over to USDT. So you got to do a quick exchange and convert. And now, boom, I have USDT. That is what you're going to need to trade on BitYard. So let's head on over to the trading page. Now you guys can see here, you can trade any of these coins right over here. These coins are tokens, Tron, Litecoin, Link, but you're doing it with USDT. So really what you're doing is you're actually trading Tether, but you are betting on whether the prices of these assets are going to go up or down. Now you can deposit any of these, but you're actually going to see all of your trades through with USDT. So when you look up here at the top, you get the Bitcoin price, you get the change over a certain period of time. You guys see the high, the low, the volume. The charts here, you can see the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour chart, all the way up to 1 month. It also has some tools over here, kind of like Trading View, that you guys can use. And then you guys see here, you have the price of Bitcoin is in blue. And of course, you have your volume down at the bottom. Now, here's the thing. BitYard is going to be much different than a lot of leverage trading sites that we have looked at before. If you're looking for a site where you can trade 2x or 5x, then BitYard is not going to be for you, because the minimum you can trade here is 20. But one thing I do like about BitYard is they force you to use a stop loss. So what this is doing is this is really simplifying the trading process tremendously for you. So you can't lose all your money with the stop loss ratio here. You guys hear about people getting wrecked, people getting liquidated. With BitYard, you can't do that. But the trade-off is you have to start with at least 20x when you're trading. So we're going to be trading on Bitcoin right here. So first thing you see when we come over here to the actual trading box is you have market or limit. Now, market is going to be at the current market price, the best available price you guys can see here. And then limit, you're going to be able to set the price you want to start your trade at, but if Bitcoin starts moving in the opposite direction, then you may not get it filled. You are going to save on fees with a limit price compared to a market price. That's going to be on every site. So limit is going to be harder to get filled, but it's going to be cheaper. Market, you're going to get filled immediately, but you're going to get charged for that convenience. So we have the buttons here, buy button or sell button. This means buy. This means you think the price is going to go long, the price is going to go up. This means sell. You want to short Bitcoin, the price is going to go down. That's what you're betting on. Now, up here on settings, this is very important with BitYard because you have to set your take profit ratio. Now, BitYard is a go big or go home type site. So you're not going to be able to make like a couple bucks and be done. You're going to have to get at least 300% in order to close this trade out. Now, you could want to make up to 500%. Now, this is not the amount the Bitcoin has to go up. This doesn't mean that Bitcoin's got to go up to, $60,000, $55,000, $60,000, okay? This basically means that you have to make that much with your leverage based upon the margin that you've been given from the site. So however many Bitcoin you've borrowed, the amount of Bitcoin you borrowed, you have to get a profit of 500%. Now, I can't tell you what that number is because that's going to be dependent upon the leverage that you use. But we're going to use 300 for this example. And then your stop loss ratio is important. Like I said, it forces you to use a stop loss so you can't lose all your money. But do you want to volunteer to lose 90% of your money? Because you can choose that. You can do 50%. But of course, if you have a lot of money on this site, like one full Bitcoin, you wouldn't want to use something like 50% because that is going to give you the opportunity to get absolutely wrecked and lose half of a Bitcoin if the price drops. So I would suggest probably using 10%. This is not going to give you a lot of wiggle room really for your trades, but what it's going to do, it's going to allow you not to lose all your money. And to me, when I'm doing my trading, that's what I'm focusing on. How can I lose the least? How can I try to catch Bitcoin based on an indicator that I may have, whether it's Profit Sniper or Market Cipher or FOMO Trender? When can I catch something at the bottom and just ride it all the way up to the top and hopefully be able to make a lot of money because I've got it at just the right time based on a lot of indicators or analysis that I may use. You have the option to do overnight here. This means that they're going to hold your trade overnight according to Singapore time. Then you have an open order confirm or a close order confirm. I'm always going to use an open order confirm because I don't want to misclick and accidentally open a really crazy trade and lose a lot of money. Now, those numbers we implemented here in the settings are going to be reflected down here. So with my current numbers, based on, we're going to go over to market, and then I'm going to put in the available margin here. I have $100. Let's see what that works out to. You're going to see the fees added in here. So I have $100 in Tether. So I have to make sure this total number is below 100. So let's put it at like 98. Nope, 97. That's going to get us there. So I'm going to be able to trade with $97. I'm going to get hit with a fee of $2.76. I have my stop loss at 10% ratio. So that means the price can drop down to 95.83 and I won't lose all my money. I would just lose 10%. However, on the take profit side, and this is based on 20x leverage, on the take profit side, Bitcoin's got to go all the way up to 11,000 for me to hit that profit window to get $291 in profit or 300%. So you can come up here and play with the leverage. If you move it up to 40x, you will see that my wiggle room gets very small. I only have basically $25 to play with, but Bitcoin only has to go up to 10,350, which is around some resistance there for me to get that 300% profit. Look, BitYard is go big or go home. When you move this up to 100x, which I don't ever suggest using 100x. Why do I not suggest using 100x? You have virtually no window. You guys can see here, basically, if the price drops to 96.18, I'm going to lose that 10% of my money and I'm going to get stopped out of the trade. I have basically a $10 window, a $9 window. That's not going to cut it. So if we move it down here to 30, you guys can actually do 30, 50, 70 in between these numbers here. You guys will see that at 30x, I have a window of about, what is that? About 30 bucks. Not too bad, but I'm not going to go above 20x on this side. Like, I'm just not going to do it because my window here I had to play with is pretty good. If I catch this at the right time, then I might be able to actually make some money here. Okay, so I have this trade here. We're going to click buy it. Confirm is going to pop up. and we are going to hit confirm. So I'm just going to have to let this money ride out and hope that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up, and I'm going to be able to make some money and do pretty well with it. Look at that. The price just went up as soon as I clicked it. However, with BitYard, you got to remember, you got to hit that take profit ratio. Can't go less than 300%. So this is a site where you are really going to have some big balls, if I'm going to be honest with you. But now it's your turn. What do you guys think about BitYard? Does it look legit? A lot of people really like the ability to mine on the site, and I think that's a cool feature that separates it from some others. But let me know what you think. Please drop your comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.